This is a tutorial to use those free editing assets that you just downloaded. Now before we use this, we gotta check something real quick. Go to the folder that you downloaded, then go to presets and then animations, and then check that the animation preset file has this icon and not some other icon. If it has the correct icon, then just skip ahead. But if it has the wrong icon, then look at the extension at the end of the file name. If it ends in .xml, then just delete that part and make sure that it ends in .prfpset. But if the file name already ends in that and it's still the wrong icon, then here's what to do. Open up the Windows search and type in File Explorer options. Open it up, go to View, and then down the list you'll find Hide Extensions for Known File Types. Uncheck that and click Apply. Then delete the .xml extension so that it's an actual Premiere Pro preset file. Now to import these, open up Premiere Pro, go to Effects, and then right-click on Presets. Click Import Presets, and then import the file. It'll look like this. I recommend taking a minute to sort all of these. Unfortunately, I can't make them sorted for you. Now to make these video transitions work, you simply open the folder and drag this Premiere project file into the Premiere project that you're using. Then click OK. All of the defaults are good. Now check your sequence settings and make sure that the frame rate is either 30 or 60 frames per second. So now let's say that we want to move left from this picture to that one. You'll see this is what it looks like. If you just drag it in, it doesn't work like that. You first need to check this button right here for everything to work. Then it's all fine. And then there's a marker that'll help you put it in the right spot. And there you go. And if you want to, you can open up the project by itself and then change the sound effects or the speed of the transitions, anything else you want.